Hi, I'm Alan Thicke, and I've got some news that just might change your life. I'm not a doctor, but I did play one on TV, and I come from a medical family of doctors and nurses, but most importantly, I'm in that boomer demographic that needs to pay close attention to any important scientific breakthroughs that might help fight the aging process by improving our heart health. It was 10 years ago that scientists discovered the benefits of nitric oxide, created by the natural amino acid L-arginine. This naturally occurring amino acid, L-arginine, has been around for a while. The excitement is that only now do we have a most efficient way of getting it into your system. It's called Pro-arginine Plus, and it's already made a difference for thousands of people.
Do you have aches and pains? Do you lack energy? Do you want to slow down the aging process? If so, Pro-arginine Plus is the answer for you. Arginine is a product that goes to build all the tissues of the human body. And when we find it had some therapeutic issues as well, it made me very interested in pursuing that part of it for both preventing heart disease as well as anti-aging.
As we get older, we sometimes get lazy about exercise, even intimacy. Our bodies are wearing out. We all want more energy. We want more stamina. We'd like to have greater performance with less pain. Dr. Joe Prendergast is a respected expert in arginine supplements. He's a practicing endocrinologist, and Dr. Joe has an incredible personal experience that has led him to the forefront of arginine therapy.
When I was 37 years old, I had a stomach problem, had to have a routine CAT scan. It enabled me to realize that I had the arteries of an 80-year-old man at that time. I did many things to find out what I could do. I ended up spending most of my time with cardiovascular research at Stanford, who were beginning to work on L-arginine at that time. I now have the arteries of a 15-year-old. I have no evidence of any plaque at all anywhere in my body, and we have very, very few vascular problems for anybody who has been in my practice and following what we tell them to do.
To help us really understand the benefits of Pro-arginine Plus, we need to understand the effect that nitric oxide has on the body.
A high-quality natural supplement like Dr. Joe Prendergast's Pro-arginine Plus helps the body create healthy amounts of nitric oxide, which will benefit cellular health dramatically without any side effects. I recommend it to all my anti-aging patients.
It's also important to examine the credentials behind any new information. So how about this? The Nobel Prize. Yes, that Nobel Prize in 1998. May I have the envelope, please?
The Nobel Prize research discovered that a high-quality arginine supplement creates nitric oxide. It relaxes the arterial walls, smooths the vessel lining, resists plaque, and diminishes the risk of heart attack or stroke. The nitric oxide effect allows the blood to flow freely and nourish the entire body and all the cells.
Let me recap for you. Nitric oxide research has addressed the aging process by helping build natural muscle mass, increase energy and stamina, and assist blood chemistry by fighting plaque buildup. Now you throw in weight loss, and that's a pretty comprehensive, irresistible package.
Before I started taking Pro-arginine Plus, I had gained a substantial amount of weight since my athletic prowess years in high school. My blood pressure had gone up into the dangerous range, and I was seriously looking at taking medication for that problem. A friend of mine introduced me to Pro-arginine Plus. It took only a short little while before I started feeling a lot more energy. I was sleeping better. I felt more clarity, and I felt actually like the years and months were melding away from my life.
I was a professional baseball player, played 15 years professional baseball, played on 2 World Series teams, and we won the World Series, and then I kind of lost my energy when I got done. I guess I just kind of didn't take care of myself like I should have and started putting on weight. Then I got lethargic, I got tired, and then I started taking Pro-arginine Plus, and it was incredible. The energy that it gave me and the abilities that I developed to try to get my body back into shape.
I feel like I am literally been born again in a younger body with life starting now at 56.
It has no side effects. It's a naturally occurring product, and a lot of athletes take it. In fact, I have introduced it to a lot of former athletes who now take the product and have received the same benefits that I've received.
I found L-arginine Plus, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful. I have lost weight. My joints don't ache anymore. I can get out of bed. I want to get up and go to exercise. I lost 80 pounds in 8 months. I'd spent 30 years trying to lose weight. And I will never be without L-arginine Plus.
There are key ingredients in the L-arginine Plus. L-citrulline is one of this that really does a lot to actually extend the life and turbocharge the effect of the arginine itself. Secondly, there's things like the red wine extract, resveratrol, which makes you 2 decades younger in size, 20 years younger in size. And then you have things like the vitamin K, which will actually increase the muscle strength. And all these included with all the vitamins and minerals that are part of this whole product of L-arginine Plus makes you live a long and healthy life.
Also very interesting is the experience Dr. Joe has had with patients suffering from either type 1 or type 2 diabetes.
I have personally witnessed amazing results from arginine therapy. I've seen a substantial reduction in diabetes complications and a marked improvement in the quality of life in all other patients. Today's L-arginine Plus formulation is a result of 15 years of clinical experience and collaboration with some of the top nutritional scientists in the world. I believe that L-arginine Plus is the highest quality and most complete formulation for improvement of human health that I have ever seen.
If you want to learn more about this amazing formulation, just go to www.argininehealth.com. If you're under a doctor's care, ask about this research and share this website. Preventive health care is the most valuable investment you'll ever make. I'm Alan Thicke, wishing you a good life in the best of health. And thanks for listening.